What's up, everybody? This is your DK here, and this is 2021. I brought you a very profitable strategy. A very profitable strategy. This is a strategy to swing trade, and it's very awesome and it's very profitable. So, a strategy without any proof is not a strategy. I always bring a strategy that makes sense because I'm gonna show you what it have done. This is today, and look at the loss size on a very small account. I was using it in um 15-minute time frame, but it most work. You check your results in higher time frame for you to figure out, for you to trade in small time frame. Always when you're trading in using small time frame, you must also make your confirmation in higher time frame, and this strategy works 100%. Not really 100%, but it works 90% of the time. It works very well. As you can see, the losses is just here at the top and everything is blue. So here, only here, and everything is blue. Yeah, before I give you the strategy, it's all for free. Let me tell you something. USD Cafe is just symbol. I don't know whether I'm stupid or I'm just living simple. um I'm not really here for the growth of my channel. You can subscribe if you feel like. If you don't, it's also fine. You are my friend and everything is just cool. I'm not really serious with the channel. That's why I don't really update every week or every time. So I just post when I feel like giving out a strategy. And for the people that are charging for their strategy, I'm also one of them. You don't have to blame anybody because it takes time, it takes hard work, dedication to master these stuffs. So if somebody is selling his stuffs, it's not a problem. Let me tell you something. This is something very simple, ne? This is something very simple. Let me say this is the chat. If you just click in your chat and you click this F letter, all indicators are here within the MetaTrader. So all indicators are just here. Let me say, for the newbies, for the people that don't know how to use the indicators, you just have to watch different videos. There are a lot of free strategies. If you watch different videos, you will have a clue of how the indicators works, of how they are being used. Instead of begging people and wasting your money buying different strategies that might not work for you, something that you don't know, I might give you this strategy of mine. This is the strategy that this is my small account. It's very tiny account of mine. You know, I can afford a bigger account than this one, and I can lift this account to uncountable whatever, so to a lot of money. So I can take it to 1k within no time, as you know me. So yeah, this account, as you can see, I can give you this strategy. Obviously, I will give you this strategy for free, but don't think that everything will just come for free, because it's time and energy that we are using here. I will explain everything for you to understand the reality of trading. Trading is very simple. It's something that I watch simple. Previously, I was I blew out a lot of accounts that I can't count. Somebody told me that, say, I blew out 4 of my accounts. That is nothing, man. So the accounts that I blew out, I can't even count them. But now, simply because I've learned how to minimize my losses, I'm no more blowing accounts because I've mastered this thing. So this thing is very simple. The only thing that kick off traders is small pullbacks. When sometimes you know the direction of the market, you know how to spot out the market and everything, whatever you're using, but the only thing that scares you is those small pullbacks. As long as you have confidence, as long as you know your direction, you don't have to be afraid of small pullbacks. You just have to trade and wait for the market to go your direction. So this strategy is very awesome, is very wonderful, is for you. I will explain everything very well, so it can take a lot of time. if you follow, you will be able to pick up something. Because for me, I don't give nonsense. Ne? You have to prove yourself whenever you give strategies. I'm not like others. You just give something, you don't prove. I want you to learn how to use the indicators. So this is my indicators that I created myself. I don't watch people's videos. Ne? So I didn't have any mentor. Ne? So I've taught myself these things. I want you to teach yourself. Just watch different strategies or different videos for you to learn, and when you get a little clue, try to place these indicators. You just click your F letters. The indicators are just here, different indicators. Once you pick one of them, you place it on your chart, and then you just back test. When you back test, this is I like testing in 1 hour time frame. This is to back test. Ne? You go back and watch how the market reacted previously. The market, when the indicators are make this structure, this is how the market is going to be. So when you back test, so now this is what I usually do. I used to check at a certain structure of the indicator, like let me say like this structure. You see, the green line touches level 90, and this one is about to touch level 10. So when it completely touches level 10, that is gonna be a buy. That is my structure that I figure out when I was back testing. So I see when the green one is up there and then the blue one is down here, it's gonna be a buy. So after testing out this one, so you have to go on live, not on your live account. You have to go into live market on demo account and try to test out the same thing that you have been back testing, whether it's really working. That's how I create my strategy. It takes me time, and when you come to me, I've made my money. When you come to me, when I'm charging you, you don't have to be funny with that. If you don't want to pay, then you just have to go to the MetaTrader and try to figure out and try to learn, or to learn from the free strategy. It's not a problem for somebody to charge for his thing, but this strategy, guys, is all for yours. It's for free and it's really working, and I'm proving to you that this is just I didn't use any lot size, only 0.2, as you can see, but you can see the amount of cash that I've made, and this is not demo. So let me just give you the strategy and you will make that cash. Don't complain, everything is here, everything is simple. Just learn how to use the indicators. All I want to tell you is that combine your price action, combine whatever knowledge you have, compare different strategies, and try to figure out the movement of the market. You will be able to know how the market moves, and you will be a profitable trader. When you give in time, when you give into okay, let me say, if you give 80% of the time into this thing, it will give you 80% in rewards. It will reward you the 80% that you took into this thing. So if you are not giving it time, it will also not give you profit as you wish. So this thing is very, very, very simple, and I just look, I can even make a living with my $30 account. I can build it to uncountable account. $30, I take it to 100, and to 200, maybe I would draw $100 and then continue just like that. You will see me on 1K account, and if you are able to build $100 to 1K, you will be able to grow it to 10K. What is the problem with that? It's all increasing the lot size as the account is growing bigger, and you take it to bigger amount of money. So let me tell you something. As with me, I do charge traders, but I don't depend from traders from the people that are buying my stuff, because as I'm speaking, I never collected more than 5K from traders. But I have a lot of things that don't even cost 5K. It costs a lot of money. So yeah, traders are nothing to me, because That's why I don't rely on people. I'm just helping out people, so that's why I don't even advertise. For people, for the people that do advertise, please buy my indicators or whatever. Those ones are the people that rely on people, and the market is beating them. As with me, the market is, see, as you can see, it's just I'm beating. Is very simple, very simple strategy. So this is your strategy. Let me first give you the setups before I show you how everything works for you to go hit the market like nobody's business. So yeah, there we go. I don't even edit my videos because I don't care about my channel. I'm just here to help you out. Don't mind about my English. This is how, as long as you understand, yeah, as long as you understand, I'm very simple, very simple. I take everything simple. Yeah, the cafe here. Okay, okay, where do I have to go? People are complaining. So when somebody is giving you, I've made time for you now just to give you something like this. Is going to make you a lot of money. So only if you are taking time in it. Okay, you click your F letter, people. These are the setups. I don't have to delete them off. Just follow very well. So on your main chat. Oh, I'm sorry, people. This body is calling. Let me post a little bit. All right. This is what I was saying. Yeah, on your main chat, you click on your F letter, and then you're on your main chat. You insert this Ichimoku as it is. 92652, as you can see, and here at the Tenkan-sen you just have to make 4 pixel. The color will be blue. Everything here you make them one and invisible. I've made them invisible simply because my background color is white. That's why I've made them invisible. If your background color is black, then you just make the vice versa of this one. And then the levels, this Ichimoku is the one that is on the main chat. You don't have to mind about the levels. You click done. So this is the Ichimoku that we have inserted. So and then you click back on your F letter and then insert the Ichimoku. First you have to choose either because this one you have to create indicator window 2. So how to create indicator window 2? You either click your stochastic and then you insert your stochastic first. Okay, let us insert the stochastic first. So you click on stochastic oscillator and then everything you make 1 low high symbol, and this one you just make them invisible because all we are looking for is just the level of the stochastic. We are not looking at anything, so make it simple like it is here. So everything should look the same like you're seeing it here. The level, you insert level 90 and level 10 and then you click back and done. So the levels, this is the levels that are appearing on the stochastic. So and then you go back within the stochastic, you insert the Ichimoku that you have inserted on the main window, which is like this. 92652 92652. The levels does not matter, because the levels, we have got levels of the stochastic already. So if you can even the levels does not matter. So yeah, this is how you are going to insert this Ichimoku, and then you click on done. Everything is simple as you're seeing it. Done. Now you have inserted the Ichimoku 9 here. Now you just have to insert to make four lines. To make these 4 lines is 9. You have to insert now 8 7 6 just to make them 4. As you can see, I've inserted, this is 9, this one is 9 here, this one is 8. Let me click on it for you to see. It's 8. Done. And then you just click on what am I doing? This is Ichimoku 9, 8, 6 and 7, and then you click on done to create 4 lines. And then you go to your indicators again and look for your average directional movement. This is how you are going to insert it. The parameter is just period 14, and then the style here is 4 pixel. The others you make them invisible, and then this is how you're going to set it. You click on done. This is how it appears. So this one is 14, right? This first one is 14. This is 15, 16, 17. The same one, only the numbers are different. 14, 15, 16, 17, just to make the lines like 4, 4, 4. You see, the strategy is done, everything is done. There's nothing that I haven't given you. It's very simple, just like that. For the best view, you have to insert all the lines like I've said them. You never saw this strategy. It's just the cafe who created his own things, but things that are making sense and that are really working. You don't just have to backtest. The person have to show you that these things are really working. So I like using a 1 hour time frame, and I like sometimes I like to swing trade. You see, 0.2 lot size will give you more than $20 or $18. That was time spent with okay, using this strategy. Is very simple. I don't make losses simply because I've mastered the thing and I've shown you how I've made that profit. I just wanna hey, you are taking time. Hello. Okay, I just wanna show you how this thing works. So okay, there we go. This is very simple. So what am I looking for now? I'm just looking for the structure of my indicators. So I can be the person that don't know anything about price action or whatever. This thing really works, people. Go test it. Whenever you get a strategy from me or from whoever, don't just go jump on your live account simply because you know I've shown you my live account and I've shown you the profit I've made. So try it on demo several times and try to see whether it really works. If it works for you, and then you can go ahead. If it doesn't work, the demo account is there to prevent your capital, people. We are putting our money, our capital on high risk. Our finance is at risk. This thing create poverty. If you don't know, you might think is a thing that will make you a lot of money, but it create poverty when you don't have that knowledge. But with us, the knowledge, so this trading stuff, these indicators took me from nobody to somebody, you feel me? So I'm somebody now. I can even praise myself, and I fit everywhere because I'm just simple. I'm just cool in life. So yeah, let me show you something. Let me show you the structure that I usually look for to figure out the direction of the market and how I used to make my profit. This is how you are going to use the strategy. Let me find a proper structure. A proper structure. This is a proper one. So this is a proper one. Whenever you see if the green line touches level 90 and the blue touches level 10, what is that? Is obviously a buy. And this I use it okay in high time frame. So the pullbacks, what affect your trade? Your trade is being affected by the pullbacks. From where are those pullbacks coming from? They are coming from lower time frame that you don't know. So if you are trading using this strategy, and in lower time frame the formation is the same as you're seeing it in high time frame, yeah man, you are going to make a lot of money. So I don't know. So if let me say, if I see this formation, this one touches this level and that one touches that level, green touches level 90, blue touches level 10, it's gonna be a buy. It's always a buy. It can be. So if okay, if for instance you took a buy here, you took a buy, let me say the market was like this. Okay, the market was like that. If you take a buy there, yeah, this yeah, you see, that is my line where I took a buy. That is my line where I took a buy. You understand? So this red one here and this green one, you see, this was a pullback. And look at this. This is 1 hour time frame. If okay, let me show you this. This is 1 hour time frame, and this was a pullback of 1 hour time frame. This was a big move, people. This was a big move. This little move over here can even blow out your account, and then you think that the strategy is not working. If you are not using proper risk management, you must know your risk versus your reward. You know, don't make your risk to be higher than your reward. Your reward must always be higher according to the strategy. So if I took a buy here, if I take a buy here, this is my risk. Let us see our reward. You see, boom, that was your reward. It could have been a lot. This is quite a lot. This was a risk, and this is the reward. You could have made a lot of money here. And this, I know this is just a pullback. The market will still continue up. You see, this was a pullback, and then it didn't go there. It continued up. So that's how the strategy works. Let us check another good entry point again, because in most cases all you have to look for is just for this same structure. This is the only structure that I used to look for. This is the only structure. Whenever this nigga touches level 9 and this one touches level 10, all I do is a buy, and as you can see, it's a buy. It never failed me. That's why you see I generate that profit. What do you think I've used in my life? I don't use laptops or computers or whatever or software, only the simple indicators. People might think this guy is lying, so but I'm showing you it's a live account, and there is the profit. Let me not place a trade. There is the profit. Yeah, there is the profit. What else do you want? And you see it's just today trying to scalp, and this was the only losses, and everything is just blue, as you can see. So I've used this strategy and it's working awesome. As you can see, this one is very simple. The structure is nice to see, man. People, look at this. Okay, this thing touches level 90, and the blue one touches level 10. Very simple to see, very simple to spot out, very simple to see the direction of the market, very simple to make money only. So what are we going to use here? What is the purpose of the indicator that is on the main chart? So when you see a structure like this, get to confirm either in 1 hour time frame what you're using. So wait for the market to break the indicator on the main chart. So these candles must break this line to the top for you to take a buy, if you don't want to go through those pullbacks. But if you could have taken a buy here, right here, you could have been in a profit. So once it breaks, this first candle could have been your first buy. You could have buy here because it closes above this line. So you buy there, and there is your profit. You bought here, and this could have been your profit. So yeah, and it will always go that direction, man, that direction. So yeah, if you want to sell, it's just the vice versa of the indicators. These indicators are working very awesome. Nobody will give you something like this, and you have never seen it. If you want to see the direction of the market, don't only go and trade with my strategy. Use your own knowledge, use your whatever you were using before, and just combine with this one for you to get a clear understanding of how the market works here. Just as I told you, if you want to get it very well, wait for the candles to break this line on the main chart. So after this candle, you could have placed a buy here. You will always be in profit because you are just jumping in a trending market. You are not when the indicators are showing like this, you see this is very noisy. The market is in a consolidation. It moves up and down. It's not trending. So this is good to spot out a trending market. So to jump into a trend, as usual, the buys are a lot. Then so to buy, you will make a lot of money than selling. So with this strategy, so I look out. You can trade everything. So you see here it didn't touch it. So when it touch completely those levels, you will know it's a buy. It's always a buy. You can try out all, yeah, like here, as you can see. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Sometimes you will find out the structure is formed like this. Yeah, the structure, this was also touching here, but the market is failing to give you that profit. Is just continuously going down, continuously going down, simply because you are lacking the that I told you. You just have to wait for the market to break this line, and then you will have enough confidence that now is a buying point. So just like this, the market finally, here it was just trending down, finally break the line here, and according to your structure and your confirmation is that already the market will go up. There's no way. This was a little pullback there, and the market goes up just like that. To trade like that, some people, okay, like if you take a trade, okay, for instance, you are given a signal right here and the market make a small pullback, you are already out of the game. Sometimes if you don't know your risk versus your reward, here you could have been out while the market is supposed to give you a huge profit like there. Yeah, this is just to place a trade, and if you have good risk, you will get that money in the next day. You can place a trade today, tomorrow you are in a nice profit just like that. That is how we used to make money, people. If it breaks here, obviously this candlestick will make you a lot of money. It breaks here, and this is the structure, the formation of the structure, and this line was broken, so you will make money here. What is your problem? I'm explaining very well, everything is clear. Even you're stupid, you can even understand this. So yeah, as you can see, it touches, and this is the market is going. What is, somebody will even say I'm lying while I've proven you. You people are very funny. The person is proving to you and is showing you the profit in reality, not on demo account, but still you are going to complain and things like that. If the strategy is not working for you, it's just not working for you. It doesn't mean is that it does not work for everybody, because they are, I know people like a lady, this Mrs. Money, she's trading boom and crash using an RSI only, but I cannot trade using that RSI only. The market will kick me out of the game, but she's doing it. And then what do you want to tell me? I can use this strategy, making money with it. You might not make money with it because you haven't perfected. I'm the perfection of it, so I will obviously make money with it. So when this is, I like buying than selling, my people. So this is it. Okay, in lower time frame you can even do the same. I'm trading everything you see here now. Not really. I'm trading everything you see here. I'm trading volatilities, everything. It works on everything. It doesn't, you can even go try it out on currency pairs and everything. So this is VIX 75. This is the things I'm killing. I trade everything. So yeah, I do everything. But today, did I trade any volatility or just boom and crash? As you can see, this is volatility here. Yeah, here. Yeah, making, yeah, as you can see here also, I'm just everything, man. I'm just trading where I'm seeing a setup, then I do that. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, man. That's what I'm doing. Everything is simple. You can go in any, and I like using 1 hour time frame. Just use your knowledge and combine with my strategy. I'm sure you're going to make money. This is the indicators you use to buy. If I'm to sell this, if I'm to sell this strategy, it will also, if am to sell this strategy to you, you will also be able to make losses. It doesn't mean that if something is sold, then you are obviously going to make a lot of money or millions with it. No, you will also lose. I can give it to you for free, I can sell it to you. It's just the same. You will either make money or lose. So but a lot of people really have learned from me, and they are making a lot of cash. Some lazy complainers, those ones are still struggling with the market. I don't know how to help them out, but this is the things I'm giving you. If you follow this channel, you will learn a lot, and then you will make a lot of money from it. The strategy is too basic, everything is simple. I've given you everything. I don't know what to explain anymore, so everything is just simple. As I told you, the setup is like that. Whenever it breaks this line on the main chart, after this candle, you just buy. There's no way that it will go back. If it goes back just a little, and then you get that cash, you just look from here to there. when you TP, it's just in most cases when they're about to touch each other. That's where you TP. Yeah, or you TP when you see your profit is enough. I don't know. I'm not the market maker. I'm just telling you how things works according to how. Just look every time whenever that nigga touches that one, just wait for the breakout. This is already a breakout. If you take a buy even after this candle closes, you will be in profit. This was just a little pullback, and then the market will still go up, pull back and up. It will, you are just in a safe direction. As long as you, if you know something is working, you don't have to use a big lot. You see here, this line in live trading, this line was already touching this, but here was not confirmed. As long as this confirmation is hit, where are you going to lose? Tell me. After it closes above this line, no, there is no even a pullback, you are already in profit. And that is a big move, because this is 1 hour time frame. You could have made a lot. Just even a single candle can make you a lot of money, only when you know what you're doing. Back testing really helps and if you test it out on demo, go test the strategy out on demo and see whether it really works. Because I'm not only back testing, this is something that I have done, it's something that I made money with. Back testing is just to show you which structure you have to follow. Look out for structure. This one already touches this level, and this one is at the top there. If I wanted to trade this one, what confirmation do you? Don't just place a trade, people. This is, the market is hungry, is waiting for those people that don't follow the rules to eat your money. So if it breaks this line, I will take a buy. If you look for a nice trade, yeah, this one is gonna be a sell. Oh, the market was not live. So yeah, it's very simple, people. It's very simple. Everything is very clear. The strategy is for free. I hope you are going to make money with it. I'll remain the only one, SustainFX D Cafe, currently signing out.